Case name Gurvinder Singh, and today date is 15th of February 2024. From which place you came? Why you came here?
I came with my wife's problem last 5 to 6 years.
From which place you came?
I came from Australia.
Voice sample after 8 days of voice therapy. तो क्यों यहाँ पे? Why you came here, and in this 8 days what do you feel?
I came here about my vocal cord paralysis, and now is 8 day my voice therapy.
And there is a laryngeal wave also, no? In that glottic wave, I think. Yeah.
Yes, glottic wave.
How the glottic wave started?
In my accident.
Okay. When the accident happened?
Maybe 20 years ago.
20 years ago.
Yeah. But after that, my voice is normal. Now 5 to 6 years, same problem.
Okay.
This way I come here.
From which place you came?
I came to Australia.
Okay, you came from Australia.
Yes.
So, what is the opinion of the ENT doctor about your glottic wave? Because that is creating the disturbance, and there is a vocal cord paralysis also. So, it's quite challenging by voice therapy.
Yeah, he telling after his solution is voice therapy. And this is why I come here.
So what I feel, I can help in the vocal cord paralysis a little bit, but the glottic wave, I think must have seen in the laryngoscopy. That is, I don't think with the voice therapy it will be going. But just take the second opinion from any ENT surgeon.
All good. I showing ENT surgeon. Then body advice. Again start next step.
Okay, so thank you, and we'll compare and see. Thank you.